If you wish to run a missing assignment report through Infinite Campus Message Center, you need to make sure that your gradebook is set up so that Infinite Campus can identify the assignments that are missing. In this sample class, you can see there are two assignments, one that's been scored and one that I'm going to score this week. The assignment with scores in it already, we can see that there are two students who did not complete the assignment, so their scores are blank. Infinite Campus will recognize blank scores on an assignment where there are other scores posted as missing. So I could do nothing here, run a report, and these two students would receive a message for their missing assignment. However, when they log into Infinite Campus, or their parents do, they may have a harder time identifying what is missing and what is not because it's not clearly marked missing, and a lot of them are used to seeing that. In the past, we could simply type in the letter M, and that would make the assignment missing. Now, if we type in M, it'll go to our standards-based grading and say it's a minimum. In order to fix that, there are a couple things that we can do. First, by extending the assignment out, we can click the tag of missing. That will mark it and flag it. It will show up as missing on their portal, and it will also generate through our message center report. By leaving it blank, though, it doesn't affect their score. While practice may not be graded, it does calculate, especially during athletic eligibility and whatnot, and it gives parents a sense of where their students are at. So I always like to enter a score. Well, here's the problem when you enter a score. So the student did not submit it. There's no evidence, so we type no evidence. Now the student technically has a score, and so Infinite Campus will not recognize this as a missing assignment. So they say it's been scored, therefore it's not missing. So what do? We enter the score so that the grade is affected, no evidence, they know they didn't do it, and then we tag missing. Do you wish to remove the score? No. Every time you enter or tag it missing with a score, it's going to ask you that. Why is that important? Well, if you have an assignment like this one here that has multiple standards being graded, every time if you have it flagged as missing and then try to enter these no evidence scores, it will ask you after every score if you wish to remove the flag. So a faster way to do this is to simply enter all the scores across the standards for the assignment and then click the flag for missing. It will still ask you if you wish to remove the scores, but it will only ask you once. So by flagging it as missing and entering no evidence, the student knows they didn't do it, their grade is affected, and it is clearly flagged when they log in, and it will still generate in your Infinite Campus missing assignment report through the message center. To see how to send that report, check my other video. Thank you, and I hope this helped.